Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a quick way on how to make a nail stand, for how to polish your nails on the stand. So I came up with this one. Get you a CD that you no longer want. Please don't get a new one because this would defeat the purpose of this. Oh, if you do, it's up to you. But this is old CDs that I have. Basically, yeah, I have two of these I'm going to be doing on this video. That's why I said CDs. So I had two of these and I wiped it off and take everything off. And like I said, this is a messed up CDs that I have no longer want, so I decided to use it. Okay, and next you will need your nails. These are from Family Dollar nails that I purchased, I think for $4 and change. Yes, if you are looking for nails, these are also optional for you to use as well. And next you will need a postal tack right here that we are going to be using. This is from the Dollar Tree. And these are the two nail polishes that I'll be using, not on this video, but the next video that will be coming up after this one. So I just wanted to show you this. And next thing you're going to be needing are your super adhesive hooks. These are from Dollar General. It's 16 per, you know, so you only need one. So yeah, so you only need one of these, and you have leftovers as well. You'll have 6 leftovers after you do all of this stuff. Okay, so now let's get to the tutorial. Like I said, make sure you wipe off your CD and stuff like that. Okay, so now we're gonna take our adhesive right here. We're gonna peel this off like so. And then we're just going to, just like this, just put it on the CD like this. Okay, it's very, very easy. And it's easy for my lamp to dry off my nails. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I decided to share this with you because I did one a couple years ago on my channel, and you know, I decided to upgrade it and say somebody might need this video, looking for something to put their nails on but can't find an idea or two. So I decided to share this with you all. So make sure you use whatever you have at home and use it and try to see which one works or not. So okay guys, so this is it right here. This is how you make your nail stand. Yes, nail stand right here. So I have two of these. I made this off camera, and so this is two of it right here. Okay, so I got 2 CDs and 10 stickies on here. So next we're going to be using this. Okay, you can find this in the Dollar Tree in the what's the name section, like the books and what's the name section. Yeah, they're out. I can't remember the name, but yeah, take some of this and just put it on here. Okay, put it on here like this, and that's how you're gonna do for all of the nails. Okay, so cut this off like so, and just put them on so that the nail can stick on here when you're ready to paint them, so it won't give you any headache. And It just sticks very well while painting them. They stay on here, they dry on here. You don't gotta move them anywhere. So okay guys, that's all you have to do. And they come off easily when you're ready to put them on and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about cleaning the back of the nail or whatsoever. You don't have to do that. We are all about DIYs. Okay, so this is it right here. I'll do this one off camera. So we are going to, so this is my jewelry box, you know, and what I normally do, I put them on here, and this one is so big. So I put them on here, and I just paint my nails, y'all. Okay, so now we're just gonna take my nails and put them on here. Okay. Make sure you flip them over. Don't do the first thing that I did. Just like that. Okay. And find something to hold this part like right there. So, okay. So due to me having nails on now, so all you had to do is just take your nail, size them up like so. Let's just say, okay, that one looks perfectly fit, just like so. Okay, and then take your nail and just put it on here, just like that. Looks like this wanna mess up here. We ain't gonna let you do that. Oop. Okay, so you just take your nail and you just put it on here like so, and then you just pinch your nails. You guys, I made the cutest stand ever. CD stand for your nails, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that smart enough? Look at that. And you just pinch your nails and you just leave it there. Let it dry. If you don't want to put it under dryer, just if you don't have one or whatsoever, just let it dry. Okay, just let it dry. Find somewhere where it will sit. Like I said, you can find anything where, you know, this can sit on. It's very easy. You can find a water bottle and just put them on like so, and just paint them just like so. Okay, look at that. See, it's sitting on the yeah. Okay, you guys. So this is my, you know, quick and easy way. It don't even cost you that much. Probably the CD is free, and then this is $1. This is $1. That's basically $2 because the nails I already have in my house. And yes, okay, guys, that is it. Just want to show you guys. I'll paint this nails on the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.